Technical Mechanical here, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys my 3-in-1 creeper that also works as a high and low seat. If you do end up buying one of these, just know that the instructions that came with mine is actually wrong. Showing the washer on the underside, while it should be installed on the top side of the bracket. The picture on the box actually shows the correct position of the washer. It's a little bit disappointing that the instructions only a few steps to install the casters and they got it wrong. As I have mentioned, it comes pretty much assembled. All you have to do is install the casters. The creeper mode works pretty well. It is a low profile and it's just a bit over 4 inches from the ground. Converting from one profile to the other is very simple. There's simply a spring-loaded pin that you pull out and lift the assembly up. And this here is the conversion to the high seating position. Like that, I can put a magnetic tray under for nuts and bolts. The high seating position has a bit of play in it from the looseness of the pinhole, though I didn't feel it wobble when I was using it normally. Overall, I think it's a good product for about $92. Though I think the quality can be improved just a bit. We'll see how long it lasts. As always, thanks for watching, and if this video is useful to you, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe.